Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderflower gin using an easy method. First, gather your fresh elderflower heads and a good quality gin. Next, prepare the elderflowers by carefully removing any green stems. Then, you will infuse the gin with the prepared elderflowers and some sugar. Finally, strain the mixture and bottle your delicious homemade elderflower gin. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results. To begin, you will need approximately 20 to 30 fresh elderflower heads. It is crucial to select flowers that are fully open and fragrant. For the base, use 1 liter of a good quality gin. The better the gin, the better your final product. You will also need between 100 and 200 grams of castor sugar. Always ensure your elderflowers are fresh and free from any insects or debris before use. Now combine your prepared elderflowers, the 1 liter of gin, and the 100 to 200 grams of castor sugar in a large, clean, airtight jar. Seal the jar tightly and give it a gentle shake to help dissolve the sugar. Store this mixture in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, for 2 to 4 days. Remember to shake the jar daily to ensure the flavors infuse properly and the sugar fully dissolves. After 2 to 4 days of infusion, it's time to strain your elderflower gin. Carefully pour the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve lined with a clean muslin cloth into a clean bowl. Discard the elderflower heads once all the liquid has passed through. Finally, pour your beautiful homemade elderflower gin into clean, sterilized bottles. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it will be ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.